So many customers, they get an internet connection from their internet provider and they just plug it into their router and bam, their office has internet. What's up, YouTube? How are y'all doing? It's your IT guy, Brandon from AOP. So I got asked an extremely interesting question the other day and I wanted to share it with y'all. So I walk in and we're having a meeting for a potential customer. They want to sign up as a managed IT customer of ours. And they asked me a common question that I get asked all the time, it seems. They said, Brandon, our internet is always slow. Should we just go ahead and buy the largest service plan that our internet provider offers? And I said, well, before you do that, let me explain to you and ask some questions of what's probably going on. So I asked them all of our typical questions. What websites are you using? And it was all the general ones that we always get. My answer, our suggestion, was you need to prioritize and traffic shape your bandwidth or your internet connection. And what I mean by that is, so many customers, they get an internet connection from their internet provider and they just plug it into their router and bam, their office has internet. Well, there's a lot of other things that you can do to make that run more efficient. So the best example I can use is streaming video from the internet, whether it be from YouTube, Netflix, whatever. They use a lot of internet to maintain that connection and stream these videos. And audio does the same thing. So what I told them, and I was trying to explain to them, say you go to watch a video, websites nowadays are built to use as much internet as fast and as long as possible. So let's just say you have a 200 megabit monthly internet connection. So you can download at 200 megabits per second. Well, you go to watch a Netflix video or YouTube video or however, and these things can be for training, they can be for work. Well, that website's going to go out and it's going to use as much of that internet as possible, and it's actually going to bring down the internet connection speed for everyone else in the office. And that's where people are experiencing, my internet's slow because one person has music streaming, the other one's got some videos in the background, maybe they're doing training. Well, these websites don't actually need that much internet bandwidth to maintain a seamless or a non-intrusive, like somebody wouldn't notice. Like a YouTube 4K, you can use 5 or 6 megs of internet per video connection. So what you would want to do is go in and set a limit, like a threshold. So here's my 5 meg limit, and here's my videos for YouTube. So now anytime anyone gets on YouTube, Spotify, or any of these things, it goes up to its threshold, 5 megabits per second, and it'll just maintain that steady connection. That way the video may buffer right in front of where you're watching, instead of trying to buffer the whole video and you've only watched 2 or 3 seconds. And what that will allow, let's say you have 200 meg internet, and now each connection is only using 5 megs of internet instead of 70 or 80 or 90 or more. Well, now you have a more uniform internet connection over all of the workers in your office. And then traffic prioritization. So in our office, our CRM and HubSpot, that's where we keep all of our customer information, service tickets, and there's just a lot of data that goes in there. So it's a critical component to our company. Well, it has priority it's our top 10 priority, right? So if someone's streaming music from their favorite streaming service and I'm trying to get to customer information, and what our network is going to do is put their music on the back burner, make sure I get full priority to get the customer data, and then once I'm finished, the music can move up. So it knows what data to put in front of the others and what limit to set on those. So traffic shaping and traffic prioritization, if you implement those two things across your company and you teach your network how your company operates on the internet, the whole world will change for you. For example, our customers, our managed IT customers, we have people with 500 computers on their network, and we can maintain seamlessly under 100 meg internet connection. So I would say if you have 100 employees or less, having a 100 meg internet connection, a fiber internet connection, for those technical people who are going to stab me on that one, having a 100 meg connection for that amount of people, you should be great. Those companies, I see them all the time, and it hurts. They got 25, 30 people in their office and they got gigabit internet. It's like you can't use that much internet. You just need to spend a little bit of time and teach your network how your office and how your business uses that internet connection, and the whole world will change and run a lot smoother for you. So if you do have any questions about this, our team is glad to help out with these things and teach you and help you implement those things. As always, if this video helped out, like it, share it with somebody so they can get the benefits too. And as always, thanks for watching. See you next time.